Hello, this is a video announcement that is going to overview this week, week one's task. As I mentioned in our last videos, I really want you to get to know Canvas and its navigation. So if you haven't already, please ensure that you look underneath week one's, the first module, all these different student instructions on how to access Canvas. As I mentioned in the second video, you also have another resource. If you go back to your dashboard, right here, the MGCC Learning Resources. If you click on that, as I showed you in the second video, there's different getting started and also orientations you can sign up for if you really don't understand the functions of Canvas. I'm going to go back to our class. So that's your first task, get to know Canvas. Secondly, you need to, of course, complete one of our first assignments, which is going to be an email to your instructor. I'm going to overview that assignment in a little bit more detail in a small video associated with that particular assignment, okay? And I'm going to list that in the Dropbox right here, the email to instructor. I'm going to have the video link to that Dropbox because you're not submitting something to the Dropbox. It just gives you the instructions, but I'm going to overview the assignment in more detail with that particular assignment Dropbox. Now, before actually sending that email to your instructor, please make sure that you look through all of these handouts that I have listed, the Netiquette email handout. And also, your third assignment is going to be our first online discussion 1. Before you complete that online discussion 1, also read those handouts on Netiquette with online discussion tips, discussion board etiquette, and also just writing for online discussion. So again, make sure before you send that email to the instructor and also before you submit that first online submission for the online discussion 1, look through these handouts. Okay, so just remember your 3 tasks this week. Number 1, make sure learn about Canvas, how to navigate it. Number 2, you need to email an instructor. Okay, it can be me or another instructor that you have, whether it's online or maybe you're taking an on-campus class. And number 3, your third task is to submit online discussion 1. All right, well, it's going to be a pleasure to meet you all this first week of class, and I hope you have a rewarding class this semester, and please start working on this task as soon as possible. And again, our weeks run from Monday to Sunday, so these tasks need to be completed by this upcoming Sunday at 11:59 p.m. All right, if you have questions, please, as always, please email me. Okay, thank you.